Hello guys and welcome back. This time, I have for you the best method for making ivy across your design, and grow them along your walls. This one is based on geometry nodes, which mean it's easily editable and fun to play with, so that once you place it, you can move the core of the ivy to spread it easily along any corner of your design with the ability to include or exclude objects from its area. So without any further ado, let us see how this one works. First thing we need to do is visit the main site for this tool. So this one is made by BAGAPIE, same author of the Baga tools we explained in the previous videos. This one, as most of the geometry node based tools, need Blender 3.0, so make sure to download it, and just request the ivy from this button. Although this tool is totally free, you can always tip the creator for his amazing work. Once we are inside Blender, to play with this ivy, we need to append the tree node for the geometry to appear, and the download link will provide you with two files, one for the nodes, and the other for a basic mesh to test the ivy with it. So we will append them both to our scene, and here it is. This mesh is for experimenting only, so if we switch to render mode, you see that it has no materials. Now how we can enable the ivy generator? Easily for sure. You can select any mesh you have, like this default cube, and in the modifiers tab, add a geometry node modifier, then assign in it the ivy we appended. Now this cube will become the ivy spreading across those objects, and we can from here do any transformation like the move, scale, or rotate commands on the cube to change the ivy shape around those objects. And if you go close on it, this is quite awesome looking, and it works with both Eevee and Cycles render engines. Now how this tool works, and is it affecting those test object only? How about if we add it to any scene we have? Well, with this ivy node, you assign a collection that contain the ivy effect. So, if we add a cylinder in this scene, it won't get affected until we move it to the same collection where the ivy works, and that collection is changeable from the ivy generator settings where you can assign any one you need to work on. The cube that contained the ivy is also editable. What that means is we can modify the cube by deleting faces, extruding other ones to any direction, and do any kind of operation on it, and that will affect the ivy around your scene. This is by far the best tool to control ivy for architecture scenes, and that full control goes from basic transformation to controlling those numbers in the settings. And I think with this you can also make some cool animation where you can just keyframe any aspect you need. So that's it guys, hope this been useful to you. Big thanks to the creator of this amazing tool, link to his channel in the description by the way, and see you next time. Stay sharp, goodbye.